OP7 pre-release.
Hey, Bill! Are we ripping?
Yeah, people already started.
Well, he said we're going to do it at 45.
Hawkins.
Oh, look at that over there. Haha, Sabo.
Nice.
Pretty good, Sabo.
We got a nice little tournament going on out here, everybody. See what else we get. That's a nice Sabo over there.
I got something.
What'd you get?
Hawkins. Another Basil Hawkins.
That's your second one from the other one, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Need just some fruit.
Thank you, sir.
One Piece packing card.
Now look at this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let me know this can be in our back fridge for y'all.
Thank you.
I love it.
Yeah, Otama. Got another Stussy.
Look at all that over there.
Foxy.
You got another Bonnie.
Yeah.
Alright, so pre-release, we got 6 packs. Build a deck out of the 6 pack. Last pack for you, man.
Last pack magic.
Hey, that's the golden rule, right?
Yeah.
What's the golden rule?
Last pack magic.
It's not a dud pack. So hopefully we get another SR at least. We got a Frankie and a Monkey D. Nice.
Well, good luck, brother. I'm gonna
Hey, I
catch
appreciate
everybody
it.
else. What we got? We got a full tournament of 30 out here today, all the way around.
Hell no. Is Foxy any good?
No, not
No,
without
God,
the rest
no.
of it.
I mean, what about that guy?
It's gonna be a lot of fun. We have the next pre-release, which will be
And
good.
they said you can use your.
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's crack that.
Yeah, just crack that. This is what I got him on.
How big can these hits be in these packs?
I have no
Comments
idea.
and then comments.
More pizza.
No. And then there's the other pre-release pack open. Nice. I got it for you, man. Oh, you got it?
Appreciate it.
Sweet. All right, well, everybody's going to build their decks, and we will catch back up with you when it's our turn around, guys.